Best recessed toilet paper holder review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular toilet paper holders in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this recessed toilet paper holder so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to install it and use it right away. The one that made our list is the Pokim recessed toilet paper holder. This is made from stainless steel to prevent corrosion and rust, and you can choose from a brushed nickel, chrome or matte black finish. The square design helps blend it perfectly with any decor in your bathroom, and the spring release makes it quick to replace with a new roll. All the installation brackets and screws are provided so that you can set it up easily. To check out the full specs of the Pokim recessed toilet paper holder and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/recessedholder. Here's a quick look at how to install this holder. So there you have it, the Pokim recessed toilet paper holder. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material, and the different finishes you can choose from, we feel that this recessed holder is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Pokim recessed toilet paper holder and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/recessedholder. Alright, thank you for watching.